Hi Virgo, ako ulit. So tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin sa collective ngayong araw. Okay. So tingnan natin. Salamat po pala. Okay, sa mga new subscriber, sa mga nag-like at saka sa mga nag-comment. Maraming salamat po. At saka po para po sa mga naka-resonate. Okay. Most especially. At saka sa mga hindi makaka-resonate po, hit the better luck next time po. Okay, pero baka malay mo ikaw na po yung masagap ko in the next reading. Okay. So, tingnan po natin past, present, and future. Maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Taong connected sa'yo, or ikaw, or sa environment mo. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong energy ang masasagap natin sa ngayon. Let's see. So, tingnan natin. Gumawa na po pala ako ng isang channel para po sa lahat ng sign. So, check it out po. Kung gusto nyo mag-cross-watch, Virgos. So, tingnan natin. Messenger of Air, the World card, and the Two of Water. Oh my God. And the Sun card. Wow. Virgo, who the fuck is this? I'm sorry. Sensya na kayo sa bibig ko. Ganito talaga. Messenger of Air, the World card, at saka the Two of Water. We'll see. I will clarify each card so we can see the bigger picture bago ko magdadada. Okay, 21 may be significant sa'yo, Virgo, 19. Or maybe kung i-breakdown natin sa numerology, 2 plus 1 is 3. So, 3, it's all about search nyo na lang kung anong ibig sabihin ng 3 sa numerology. Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon nyo. 9 plus 1 is equal 10. Sa numerology naman is 1. Okay, so it's all about leadership. It's all about getting to be a boss or being your own boss. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, we'll see. 2 of Cups, 2 of Water. Okay, we'll see. Clarify the Messenger of Air. Ang Messenger of Air is Knight of Swords sa Tarot. Okay. Just want to let you know. Meron gusto makapag-communicate sa'yo dito. I don't know. Past person, present person, or what kind of person. The Tower card, unexpectedly. The Hermit card, I think it's a Virgo. I don't know, but it doesn't have to be the sign. Baka meron sila somewhere in his or her chart. Okay, clarify the world. Unexpected communication dito, pero nagko-contemplate siya, naghahanap siya ng solusyon, or naghahanap siya kung anong magandang sabihin, or nagme-memorize na siya kung anong sasabihin niya, or nag-i-strategize siya dito kung anong sasabihin niya, because something is about to go down. Something, parang yung tae, merong ano ba na? Bakit tae? May gusto kasi akong kunin sa English. Shit is about to hit the fan. Gets mo ko yung electric pan daw. Alam mo ba yung imagination ng laswa? Sorry lang, Virgo. Pasintabi po para sa mga kumakain dyan. Yung taing tinamaan ng electric pan or ewan ko. Shit is about to go down, Virgo. With the Tower card, very unexpected. So, kailangan niyang maging knowledgeable at saka dapat marami siyang wisdom pag mag-communicate siya sa'yo. Huwag siyang basta-basta kasi Knight of Swords is sabi lang ng sabi. Okay, go lang ng go. Hindi niya alam kung ano magiging bunga. Okay. So, clarify the world. 9 of Cups, 7 of Wands, Ace of Wands, and yung ganda naman. The Lover's card. Two of Cups, 2 of Water clarified by the Lover's card and the Ace of Wands. So, Virgo, you need to make a decision. I don't know if you already do, but we'll see. The Wheel of Fortune. So, Virgo, Sun card and the Wheel of Fortune at the bottom of the deck. Like, are you kidding me now? The Sun card, huh? At saka the Wheel of Fortune. So, it is destined to happen anyways, in any way, shape, or form. Ano man ang sitwasyon. Meron ka ngayon, merong mangyayari sa'yo dito. Hindi ko alam kung nangyari na or mangyayari pa lang. But the wheel is here. Okay, so, dito nga tayo. Sandali. Dito ko na bulol-bulol eh. Ito yung bulol card ko eh. Kaya kailangan niyang maging matino sa communication niya. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw to or takang connected sa'yo or environment mo. Okay, so the Tower card is very unexpected. It's a false kind of energy, false person, false, it's a false foundation. Okay, career man yan sa'yo, relationship man yan sa'yo, depends on you. But with the Hermit card, you are getting or kumbaga sa na-demolish na building, merong mga taong kumukuha ng mga bagay-bagay na pwede pa nilang pakinabangan. You know what I mean? Lesson. Kumbaga, binabaybay or sinasala yung lesson. Kung ano pang pwedeng pakinabangan na knowledge. You know what I mean? Or bagay. Or something. But the same thing, yun lang yung makikita na napipicture kong analogy. Kaya yun lang ang sinasabi ko. Okay, yun lang ang nabivision ko dito na meron dapat ditong salain kung ano man ang mga gusto niyang salain when it regards to communicating with you or talking with you. Because isang mali lang talaga bagang isip mo is very wide. Ang isip mo hanggang sa galaxy Milky Way na. Gets mo, Virgo? Pag may nagko-communicate sa'yo dito, alam ng taong to kung sino man tong connected sa'yo, alam niya kung anong isip mo. I mean, hindi niya alam kung anong isip mo, but alam niya kung paano ka mag-isip. You know what I mean? Isang word lang talagang darating ka na sa 5th dimension, 10th dimension, galaxy, Milky Way, molecule, atom, lahat na, Brad. So, unexpectedly, there is an communication coming in here. Ang Knight of Wands, ang Knight of Swords para sa akin is wala sa hulog ng communication, fast communication. Bitaw lang ng bitaw ng salita, but meron siyang the hermit is all about wisdom, it's all about knowledge, it's all about seeking introspection, knowing thyself. So very unexpected to sa'yo kasi hindi ko alam kung kilala mo tong taong to or meron ka ng idea sa kanya before or this is a past person, this is a new person for you, pero I will clarify again. I think ilang beses mo na siya nahuli sa sarili niyang salita. You know what I mean, Marco? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. 10 of Wands. Okay. So, this person is really on their head. Okay. Heavily burdened and they need to take out on their chest. Kailangan nilang ilabas kung ano man ang dapat nilang ilabas or ano man ang dapat nilang i-communicate para sa'yo. There is a clarity coming in. Okay. Merong gustong mag-communicate dito sa'yo. Gustong i-clarify. Gustong i-clear kung ano man yung mga issue or kung ano man yung mga dapat na i-clear. Kasi alam niyang paano ka mag-isip. Ang isip mo is just like, yun na nga sinasabi ko, molecule, atom, galaxy, Milky Way. Heavily burdened, this person is heavily burdened. I think, nag-create siya ng image or nag-create siya ng, ewan ko sino to para sa'yo. Nag-create siya ng false image or nag-create siya ng false expectation, false promises, false talk, false words. I don't know, Virgo, but this person is like binabagabag na siya to the max. So, this person gusto niya makipag-usap sa'yo ng straight. Okay. Gusto niya nang ipagsak tong wands na to. What I mean, pagod na siya. Or maybe ikaw, meron kang gustong kausapin. Okay, but you need to contemplate or maybe nagpa-practice ka kung ano sasabihin mo. Kasi you're already like, you know it's a false thing, you know it's a false situation, it's a false foundation, and it's about to go down. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Heavily burdened ka na. Okay, so based on your experience, I think dun sa sinabi ko kanina na may dinidemolish na building na tinitingnan mo ba dun sa building na yon kung ano pang mga pwede mong pakinabangan. So, okay, kinokolekta mo yon to use it in the future. Okay, so yun ang nakikita kong analogy dito, communication wise. Baka yung mga communication mo, dapat meron kang matinding ebidensya, okay? Kasi merong nafe-feel ka dito, and this is a false foundation, this is a false relationship, this is a false career. I'm not gonna expand here. I know I can take a lot of lesson from this situation, but at the same time, I need to let it go. Let it go, let it go. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Kung ikaw man to or taong connected sa'yo, the same thing. Same explanation. Someone wants to communicate. Someone's need to make, ang ina ba't ba ang English ng, may kailangan ditong makipag-usap or i-address ang something. Kailangan may i-address dito. Kung ano man situation meron ka. Maybe hindi pa nangyayari pero mangyayari in the future or kasalukuyang nangyayari. Okay. So Virgo, this person or you are or someone around you is heavily burdened, need to address something. Okay, but they need to be wise about sa communication kasi alam nila kung paano mag-isip tong taong to. Okay, or baka alam mo kung paano mag-isip, takbo ng isip ng taong gusto mong kausapin. Okay, so yun lang nakita ko sa first row. Communication, big time. Address. Ang yun ang nakita ko, need to address something big time. Someone or something's gonna go down, or I don't know, Virgo. Nagtatry lang naman akong maging niga, but I will see. Sensya na, Virgo, minsan baka na-intimidate ka na sa akin. Sensya ka na, pasintabi na rin sa mga kumakain. So, yun ang nakita ko dito, Virgo. May gusto makipag-usap or kung gusto makipag-usap, but you need to be wise on your communication here because something is heavily burdened or someone is heavily burdened here into the situation. So, need to release ang nakita ko dito. Need to address, need to release, need to clarify, need to clear some things up. Okay. Ayun nakita ko sa first row. Second row, Virgo. The World card, 9 of Cups at saka 7 of Wands. Ang The World card is ending about something in order to begin new one. Kita mo yung padlock na yan. Oh, ha, Virgo. Okay, I think you are going to travel the world or you are desiring to travel somewhere or going somewhere. This is your desire. I think meron kang bucket list. Yun ang nakita dito. But you are going to fight for what you believe in. Kung ano man ang kailangan mong ipaglaban regarding sa goals and dreams mo, kailangan mo siyang panindigan. Kung yan ang nagustuhan mo, panindigan mo. Kung yan ang gusto mong maging future mo, you need to fight for it. Okay? Maraming basher, maraming gustong against, maraming gustong mag-comment or maraming gustong magsabi ng but it's me. Okay, so it's me, myself, and I. Okay, so with the World card, it's your own thing. You are the author of your own story. You are the driver on your own life. So, go for it. Okay, walang makakahadlang sa'yo dyan. Depende na lang yan kung paano mo dedepensahan ng goals and dreams mo. Okay. Na nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa second row. Third row. Okay. Calling. Paging, third row. Okay. 2 of water. Okay. And the Lover's card together with the Ace of Wands. Okay, Virgo, isa lang ang masasabi ko dito. Dito sa plato na to, Virgo. 2 of Cups. This person is already connected with you in some point. Okay, kasi 2 of water is 2 of Cups in the tarot. Original tarot. 2 of Cups is equal give and take. I think naging kayo nito or maybe currently or maybe in the future. Magkakaroon ka ng someone. Okay, you beginning with the Ace of Wands, the Lovers, but you need to make a decision if you are going to stay or you're going to. The Empress card, wow naman, ano ba yan? 6 of Cups, this person is all, confirm. This person is on your past. This is not a new person. This person, kung sino man ang nasa past mo, or kung sa mga Virgo na ayaw na ng past, baka currently, but maybe you are feeling about something soulmate because the 6 of Cups is here. But heavily, this is a past person. Okay. Sa mga Virgong ayaw na sa past, okay, this is not for you. Okay. Or ipagpalagay natin sa scenario na currently you are with someone and you are perceiving them as your soulmate, or this person is perceiving you as a soulmate if you are already with someone. Okay. But still, you need to make a decision. Okay. Someone needs to make a decision when it regards to partnership, relationship, if you are going to reset something or kalimutan na ang lahat at baguhin ang lahat. Okay. Simula ulit. Okay. If this is a new person, either way, new person, past person, ay nakakita ko dito ng reset. Okay. Decision making when it regards to new beginning. Okay. Nasa sayo na lang yan. New beginning, Virgo. Ace of Wands. Desisyon mo na lang ang makakapag nakasalalay sa'yo. Bakit ko nasabi nakasalalay sa'yo with the Empress card here? Lalaki ka man nanonood or babae ka man nanonood. Empress card is all about compassion. It's all about understanding. It's all about empathy. So, kung lalaki ka man nanonood dito, ina-embody mo ang the Empress card. Okay? Very understanding. Six of Cups is all about nostalgic. It's all about the past. It's all about soulmate. It's all about maraming meaning ang Six of Cups. So, kung past person to, it's up to you. Either you're going to reset it or going back together. Kasi merong nagre-require ng new beginning dito. Getting back together or ignite the passion. Okay. If you are in the relationship already right now, new person, this person perceives you as a soulmate, wifey, husband material. Okay. But you need to make a decision. Maybe may fallout kayo before or recently lang na nagre-require siya ng patawarin or nagre-require siya ng reset sa relationship to put your relationship into the next level. Okay. Kung ikaw man ay currently, maybe this is a new person for you. This person is seeing you as a soulmate. Okay. This person seeing you as their life partner or in some point merong kang connected siya sa'yo, attached siya sa'yo in the soul level. Okay, kung new person man to. Okay, kung meron man kayong argument before, nagre-require siya ng reset dito or kalimutan na kung ano nangyari. Okay, at i-ignite ang mga physical exercise with the Ace of Wands. So, ikaw pa rin ang magdedesisyon kung papatawarin mo or hindi naman kasi matatawag na relationship ang relationship kung walang challenges, di ba? I'm talking about the new person, Virgo, okay? But if this is a past person, this person is the same thing. Will require a new beginning with you, passionate new beginning with you. The decision is yours. The ball is on your court. So, it's up to you. Okay, but there is definitely a love here. Want to love you, want to give you what you deserve. Past action, regretful na siya. Or ikaw. Either way lang to ha. Ikaw to or baka person na connected sa'yo. So, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung saan may lalagay ang sarili mo dyan. Saan may puposisyon ang sarili mo dyan. Basta new person or past person, this person is just like want to reset on something. Kung meron ka mang fallout sa new person mo, it's up to you kung papatawarin mo siya at ulitin ulit or ibabalik mo ulit ang tiwala mo sa kanya. Okay, or ikaw ang nagre-require sa person mo ng ganito, I don't know. But for some point, sa mga Virgo na may mga past na gustong mag-reconnect or gustong muli ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig. Depende na rin lang sa'yo yan. Sa'yo nakasalala yan, Virgo. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice sa'yo, Virgo. The Sun card is the bottom of the deck, overall energy. Nakalimutan ko pala with the Wheel of Fortune. So, Virgo, masaya ka pa rin in any way, shape, or form. May relationship sa wala, may past sa wala. You're happy. You're going after your happiness. With the Wheel of Fortune, you're focusing on the bag. So, yeah. You're good. You're fine. Okay. Kung sa feeling mo wala pang nangyayari sa ngayon, but I think you are going to feel it anyways. End of the month or middle of the month, I don't know, but still you're going to feel it. Some Sun card and the Wheel of Fortune, you feel free, you feel something energetically, emotionally, mentally fun and happy. So yeah, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Anong advice? Pleiades, ano yan? Double mission, channeling, and uplifting humanity. Exactly. Baka yan ang calling mo, Virgo. You are someone needs. Isa ka sa mga kailangang mag-uplift ng humanity. Sa mga feeling down, feeling burden. Okay. Isa ka sa mga advisor dito. Isa ka sa mga mga instrumento or tools ni God na mag-uplift ng humanity, which in need, who in need. So, double mission yan, channeling and uplifting humanity. So, second, it's a no. Okay, kung ano man yan para sa'yo, no, wait, postpone, pause, and say no. Okay, you have to say no. You need to say no on something or on someone. Okay, Virgo? Kung feeling mo na matatrap ko or feeling mo it's the same thing or it's the same cycle, you have to say no. Okay? You need sometimes mag-set ka rin ng boundaries na hindi ka aabusuhin, no? Para hindi ka abusuhin. You know what I mean? Second, keepers of the earth, you are not alone. Ancient ancestor stands beside you. So, Virgo, you are divinely guided here, and I think you are not alone. Okay. Keepers of the earth, I think one of the most powerful role. Okay. Uplifting humanity. Like, bro, are you kidding me? And the bottom of the deck is inner temple, devotion. Tune in to the portal of your heart. Okay. Connect to your heart, Virgo, because you will feel the sun. You will feel the happiness that you are craving. Okay. So, keepers of the earth, one of the mission that you have, uplifting humanity and channeling. Double mission yan. At saka, you need to say no. You need to put some boundaries to the people that energy vampire. Okay. Manipulator, narcissist. You need to say no to them. Okay. Because you have a mission here. Merong dahilan kung bakit ka kailangan mo magsabi ng no. Set your boundaries. Okay. Okay, what is the angel message number for my Virgo? 394. 394 Virgo, search mo yan. Angel message number 394. So, Virgo, yan lang ang mahahain ko sa inyo. Sa mga resonate po, alam niyo lang gagawin. Hit the thumbs up, comment below, hit the notification bell, subscribe ka na rin po para po connected tayo. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po para po, baka po mahagap ko na yung energy nyo. So, ito lang mahahain ko sa iyo, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching and bye for now.